Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am tickled to have my little reborn elf participating in J Doll UK and Playful Reborns Show Us Your Elf Challenge. This is my little elf that I got from eBay, and I absolutely love her. She may not be a legitimate, or however you want to say it, reborn, but she is everything I need. She had to borrow a blanket from Boo, my little 12-inch reborn, and this little outfit's not real fall, but it's fall enough, and it's all she has. She wears a preemie size, and it's kind of big on her. But, you know, she doesn't have that diaper underneath either. She wears a preemie size. I love her eyes. They just sparkle. I wish you could see them well in the camera. They are, oh, I love them. She didn't have a lot of clothes yet. I buy, you know, one or two now and again at Walmart, and they don't have a big selection on preemie clothes. But here she is. When garage sales get going, she'll have more clothes. But thank you to J Dolls UK and Playful Doll Adventures for this challenge. And please go see not only their videos, but everybody else who is participating. If you're participating today, would you let me know in the comments so that I can come see your video too? Her little pore spot is just what I call her soft spot. I love her. And she's real heavy. She feels, the thing about these silicones is it just feels like a human baby skin. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.